Hello and welcome to 8851 Sargent Creek Court in Indianapolis, Indiana, 46256. This is a gorgeous brick wrap ranch home with a full basement. It's 3,600 square feet and it came on the market yesterday, September 1st, at $429,000. For more information, call 317-752-8622. I'm starting out by showing you the pond because you're going to own most of this pond. This homeowner owns the pond bed, the pond, and all the way across to the road. That means you can fish, swim, paddle boat, whatever you want to do in your pond. It also makes for a really beautiful backyard. You cannot have fences in this neighborhood, but there is an electronic fence for your puppies, and that comes with 2 dog collars included in the price of the home, 1 large and 1 small. This home has an enormous deck off the back. It's a beautiful deck, and it's a great place for entertaining. There's a big sunroom there. There are windows all across the back of the home. Beautiful views from inside. It's really gorgeous at night. There's a nighttime picture online if you want to see the listing. It's 2159-3196. This is a 1-acre lot, 0.997, which rounds up to 1. A large deck that is partially wood and partially tile with a brick surround. This ranch home has a basement with 2 bedrooms up and 2 bedrooms down. We have daylight windows, so the basement is really sunny and roomy and light and bright and pleasant. We have a big screened and glassed-in sunroom, so that's a 9-month, 3-seasons room. Beautiful deck for entertaining, family parties. We had thought that this would be a great place for a pool. We're on city water and sewer here, so you could easily put a pool in your backyard. Let's go in and take a look at the home. This home was built in 1990. It's 3,592 square feet. This is the great room. The current homeowner put in real wood flooring throughout the upstairs, except the bathroom is tile and the bedrooms are newer carpeting. We have a gas fireplace. The home has gas heat. It's a new furnace, and it has gas water heater, electric stove, and electric dryer. This is a big roomy area that could also be a dining room. There is a breakfast room off the kitchen. Beautiful, warm, sunny kitchen. Large breakfast room, updated light fixtures throughout the home. Beautiful, high-quality, double-raised panel oak kitchen cabinets. Stainless steel appliances with a solid surface, easy clean glass cooktop stove. It's a ceramic sink. Let's go out and take a look at the sunroom. We are in Indianapolis in Lawrence Township right now. The taxes here are $1,600 twice a year, so about $3,200 a year. We are just south of 96th Street on Sargent Road. This sunroom is also contiguous with the master bedroom, which is really nice for warm summer evenings. The master bedroom is very large, spacious. It has the tray ceiling with crown molding. There are ceiling fans throughout the home. Large roll-out casement windows, high-quality wood windows, and nice pull-down honeycomb blinds for high efficiency. This is newer carpet, and it's a nice gray and taupe speckle, so it's easy to take care of. This is a beautiful master spa. There's a Whirlpool jetted tub. I'm not sure it's Whirlpool brand, but it's jetted. Beautiful ceramic tile floor, double sinks, and a big walk-in shower. This is the water closet or the toilet room. And we have a huge walk-in closet with attic access for extra storage. The main floor has 2 bedrooms, both with a bath en suite. And the laundry room is upstairs. In a separate video, I show you the downstairs where there are 2 bedrooms and a full bath. The laundry room is conveniently located right here next to the master bedroom. It has great storage, a deep sink, a folding countertop, and space to hang clothes to dry. Very convenient. This is a big 3-car garage. It's a finished garage. There's extra shelving, 2 separate doors, the walls in this home are all neutral. This is the dining area. It's sunny and bright and has a beautiful tray ceiling with crown molding. This is the double wide crown. This has French doors that lead through to the kitchen area. Wood floors in the kitchen, the breakfast room, the dining room, the entryway, and the great room. There is a powder room upstairs. Pretty powder room. And this is the 2nd bedroom upstairs. This could also be an office. It has 2 large closets. It's a perfect guest suite because it has an ensuite bath with a molded fiberglass 1-piece tub for easy cleanup and recessed lighting. There's ceiling fans in almost every room in the home. This is not wallpaper. This is painted, so it would be easier to cover up if you didn't like it. This home is on the market for $429,000 as of September 2nd, 2018. It is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths at 8851 Sargent Creek Court in Indianapolis, Indiana. This neighborhood is called Sargent Creek. Most of these custom homes in this neighborhood were built by a high-end custom builder named Tim Pascal, who until a couple years ago lived in the neighborhood. So you know that he did his best work if he's going to live with neighbors whose homes he had built. The landscaping is fresh. The home is newly power washed. It's a nice brick wrap home. We'd love to have you come see it. Call 317-752-8622. Thanks for watching my video, and have a great fall. Bye-bye.